Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to extract text using search-based field and macros with PDF.co document parser template editor. We will use this sample PDF in this demo. Let's begin. First, log into your PDF.co account. On your PDF.co dashboard, click on the Document Parser menu and click the New Template button. Now, let's load the source file. In this file, we will extract the build to and Lanny Lane Limited. So, let's start by clicking on the Add Object button and select Add Field from Text Search. In the Expression field, type in build to. And click on Insert Macro button. Then, we will choose Spaces Macro. The engine will now look for the word build to. Let's insert another macro and select Sentence with single spaces. This time the engine will look for the pattern build to. Then, click on the Test Object button to see the result. Here's the extracted text output using text search and macros. We've got a lot of video tutorials. You may visit our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.